Go back to the early years when you were a teenager in high school. I understand that you actually made the first big deal for $300,000 for a newsletter?
200,000. But
200,000?
But thank you for inflating it for me. So I grew up in a rural part of northern Minnesota, end of a road out in the country. I had some entrepreneurial ambitions early on. The best I can define to them is I was very artistic when I was a child. I had sculpted an alligator out of clay, and I still have it today actually in my office. And an aunt of mine purchased this from me when I was about 10 years old. Well, as a 10-year-old, you think, wow, someone's going to pay you to do something that you were just having fun doing, and I think that's the epitome of running a business. Do something that you really enjoy. Inspired something in me for some entrepreneurialism. A few years later, when I was 14 years old, I started a newsletter, and it was distributed in a shopping mall up in northern Minnesota. And as a young kid coming from a middle-income family and whatnot, the ability to have this little small business as a teenager, running it out of my bedroom or whatnot on an Apple IIe computer, remember what those were. I was able to have this little business. That went along for about 4 years, and eventually I was able to sell that business when I was 18 years old to a larger mall management company that used it as kind of their internal publication.